Hi, good morning, guys.
Good
Good
morning.
morning.
Good morning.
So,
Good
so
morning.
we all are gathered here for our week 9 group activity, and that is what are the important element for effective team. So everyone will come up with their points.
Hello guys, I would like to share one of the most important element which is communication. Effective communication is the most important part of teamwork and that involves consistently updating each person and never assuming that everyone has the same information. Being a good communicator also means being a good listener. By listening to your colleagues, you show them respect, which is an essential trust building method. Offering encouragement also goes long way to getting the best out of your team members. Collaborating and being open to new ideas are also essential ingredients for a harmonious team environment. Strong teams start with great communication. Team leaders can encourage and validate progress. Most importantly, team members must be on the same page in order to operate efficiently. Communicate clear standards and expectations to team members to ensure a clear understanding of the team objectives. Encourage discussions and listen to concerns and recommendations with openness to new ideas. Thank you.
Hey there, I'm going to speak on respect in a workplace. So, no one wants to feel like they are being disregarded. When you're a manager, owner, or a team leader, you want to feel like your ideas and feelings and presence are being respected. So, allowing your colleagues and cohorts to display disrespectful or disregarding behavior will result in a poor workplace culture. Encouraging mutual respect in your environment will help you reduce work stress, conflicts, and problems. An increase in workplace respect will help you to improve communication between colleagues, increase teamwork, and reduce stress. Second, increase in productivity, knowledge, and understanding. As mutual understanding and respect increases, the exchange of ideas will rise, which will increase company knowledge, and innovation. Additionally, your environment will experience a more positive culture and you will notice an increase in employee satisfaction and a decrease in turnover. Respect in workplace is vital and it is not solely the responsibility of your employees, it is also the responsibility of the leader. Thank you.
In teamwork, one of the most effective element is delegation. Delegation is one of the most integral part of any teamwork. Capitalizing on the strength of each team member is as essential. Utilize the unique capabilities within the team and allow team members to focus on tasks that suit their abilities and experience. With the end result in mind, take time to access individual skill of each team member and align skill with tasks to match that of their ability. This will help us to make team more collaborative and better. Thank you.
Hey everyone. So I'm going to speak on accountability in the workplace. So accountability is about ownership and initiatives. Taking ownerships and accountability at work is about taking initiative and doing the right things for the business. It's about taking responsibility for our results and not assuming it's someone else's responsibility. It's the opposite of passing the buck. Ultimately, when team members consistently demonstrate ownership and accountability, trust is formed. Your trust for someone will do the right thing and trust that they will do what they should and they said they do what. So trust is about backbone of high performance team. That's it.
So my topic is efficiency and inefficiency. A strong and cohesive team develops system that allow them to collaborate efficiently to complete tasks in a timely manner. Through working together, colleagues will be aware of their own capabilities and the capabilities of the group in general and can organize the workload accordingly. So that's all. Thank you.
My topic is result. With a strong team ethic, success is inevitable. Start with a clear plan that establishes how to achieve the objective as a group. Break down further to analyze each individual contribution. Provide clear direction to all the involved and meet regularly to discuss the barriers, accomplishment, and the pending tasks. Even if the information does not pertain to everyone on the team, keep a level of transparency whenever possible with all the team members. When employees work with team mentality, it makes the company more powerful. Teams indirectly improve organization effectiveness and develop work units that focus on goal and the company vision. Leaders in the company should show appreciation, which can double as a motivator. Success is almost guaranteed when a team is happy about the leadership and the values of the company. Even with a great team, it must be nurtured continuously. To accompany this, use a Kendra performance management tool to track and motivate team activity. Thank you. That's it.
Support. Create a network of support for the team. By supporting each other, a bond is formed that is invaluable to the team and continued professional development. When challenges arise, the support network can offer encouragement, help, and assistance as needed. On the other hand, support can also take a form of praise, advocacy, and inspiration that leads to the pride and gratification.
I'll be talking about the element of ideas in successful teamwork. When a team works well together, colleagues feel more comfortable offering suggestions and ideas. A respectful and trusting team environment not only enables colleagues to think more creatively, but will lead to more productive and collaborative brainstorming sessions.
I'm sure every one of you must have experienced these topics somewhere. So that is why you were able to speak so nicely on and elaborate on all the topics. So thank you for contributing, you guys.
Yeah, thank you.